Okay, I bought this ear of corn and I cooked it in the husk, and I'm going to try what I saw on YouTube where you cut off the bottom and you're supposedly supposed to be able to just squeeze the ear of corn out onto the plate. No shucking involved. So here we go. Let's see what happens. I hope this works. Okay, it's cutting all right. Now let's see if this will squeeze off. I'm going to get another pot holder. It's pretty hot. All right, here we go. Not, well, corn, where are you? Well, the husks are coming off, but I don't know about the corn. Okay, come on, puppy. Squeeze out of there, honey. Well, okay, let me try cutting a little bit more off. Okay, that should do it. Woo! Well, it's coming. Slowly, but it's coming. Come on. You can do it. Ugh. Jeesh. Come on. Woo. Here it comes. Wow. That really does work. I mean, it took a little bit of elbow grease, but look. There's hardly any strings on it. Huh. And no big mess with all those strings everywhere. All right. I think it's a win. Have a great day.